Hello everyone, this is Amy with Edgy Experiences, and I hope that you are all doing well and staying safe and staying healthy. I wanted to take a few moments to walk you through how to purchase tickets for an Edgy Experiences event like Pangea's Playhouse through the Edgy Experiences website. So jumping right on in here, you can see that I'm on my Safari homepage, and I'm going to start by going to my web address bar here and typing in www.edgyexperiences.com, then pressing enter. This will take you to the Edgy Experiences homepage, and at the very top here, you will see a menu bar with all different types of options. Every large event will have its own tab, so I'm going to choose Pangea's Playhouse right here on the right. When you click on that, you will be taken to the homepage for said event. You will see the banner for our upcoming show, and right under that, you will see a short and sweet description of what the event is all about. Then a button that says Buy Tickets Here. When you click on that, you will be redirected to the event's Night Out page, which is where you will be making your purchase. You will first see the banner for our upcoming show, as well as a description and date and time. And when you scroll past that, you can begin your transaction. Under Patron Tickets over here on the right, you can add and subtract how many tickets you would like to purchase. Remember that the artists do receive 70% of ticket revenues. After you have confirmed how many tickets you would like to purchase, you also have the option to be a Playhouse sponsor. This helps us cover costs to build a space for our virtual artist community. This is totally optional, and we really appreciate any help that you would like to give. I'm going to go ahead and put down $10 for my sponsorship, and then I'm going to click checkout. This next step will give you your options of how to register for your tickets, and you have a lot of different options here. If you already have a Night Out account, for example, you can click on this button here. And if you have a Facebook or Twitch account, you can click on one of these, and it will redirect you to those websites to ask you if you would like to register with those accounts. If not, you can register with your email through this button here. You will fill out this form and then click Save and Continue. If you remember that you have an account or nightout.com informs you that you do after attempting to create a new one, click on Login here. You are going to put in your email address and password here, and this will not interrupt your transaction in any way. No matter how you register, it will take you to the same next step, which allows you to choose the artist you would like to support with your ticket purchase. We have this drop-down menu at the very top, and when you click on it, it gives you the list of the artists and creatives involved in the event or show. Whether you are here to support a loved one or friend, or simply want to support an artist whose act you are interested in, here is where you can choose them to support. After that, you are going to click Checkout, and that will take you to your final step. At the top here, where it says Gratuity, is where you can give your artist an extra tip. By clicking on Custom and entering any dollar amount, you are supporting the artist you choose in an additional way, and they do receive 100% of their gratuity. When you click Save, this is being added to your total. Right under that, you see where you are able to put in your payment information. And if you scroll beyond that, you will see where you could purchase refund protection. So go ahead and click Yes or No here. After that, you have your purchase conditions section, where you are able to read over your terms and conditions or the privacy policy for this purchase. If you agree, you click on this box right over here on the right. Then you are all set, and you can confirm your purchase by clicking on this button here. It will redirect you to a digital receipt, and in addition, you will receive an email confirmation of this purchase. You will receive the email to the email address you provided before, and you are also able to find which email it was sent right here on the bottom. This email will contain information on how you will be able to tune into the show or event, as well as the date and time. So when it comes time to tune in, reference that email for info on how you'll be able to access and enjoy the event or show. With all that said, thank you so much for supporting Edgy Experiences in the virtual space and community we are curating for artists and creatives. I hope to see you on the virtual stage.